Morning Bohol. Yuck. So yun na nga. Kakagising lang namin. 5:46 AM. And mamayang 7 AM. Lalarke na kami para sa next adventure na gagawin namin. Kung nagtataka kayo kung nasan ako ngayon. Ayan, nandito kami sa bahay ng tito ni Sarah. Yes, guys. Nandito kami tumuloy. Ganda ng morning.
All in my head, like pictures of you, visions of what was said. And I know your storm will settle down, but I know I'm right now.
Magkapalit kami ng tsinelas kasi sabi sa amin, expected daw. Kasi nga umambon kanina. Magchichinelas kami. Ayun doon na.
Mapa mo na kayo, sir, ma'am. Ano din? Dalawa tayo? Sige. Kayong dalawa lang, ma'am, sir? Opo. Good morning. Welcome here at Graham ATV and Chocolate Hills. Meron tayong ATV, bangka riding adventure going to the viewing of the Chocolate Hills. Madali lang silang i-trap kasi boat automatic po sila.
Okay.
Ito naman yung pangisahan, only gas and brake lang siya, pindot-pindot lang. Then ito naman yung the bug car, good for the person. Isang magdadrive, isang passenger, go and stop, back-up and steering na po. Then may mga packages po tayo sa package A and package B. Sa package A is dalawang location po ang mapupuntahan natin. Yung first stop po yung Couple Hills. Ihinto dito magpipicture this area, din dito na din yung tree. Pagkatapos continue driving to viewing point. Aakyat ka ng 150 steps by walking, ito na yung makikita sa taas. May kasama kayong guide para siya na mag-picture, mag-video sa inyo using your camera. Sa package A, the price of the single one is 1,300, then the double one is 2,600. Included na po yung entrance fee. Kung gusto nyo more driving is my package B, Couple Hills, Viewing Point, Mini Forest. Mini Forest, as you enter this area, then more driving lang po siya around ng Chocolate Hill. 1,600 for the single one, 3,200 for the double one for package B. Estimated hour is 1 hour and 30 minutes, then one is 1 hour. Masyadong matagal yung 1.5. Madali lang, ma'am, kasi honors papunta, pabalik na po yan.
Ano sa tingin mo?
Ang tagal naman yun.
Ito viewing point?
Ito po yung viewing point.
Ito yung Couple Hills.
Yes po, dito po.
Tapos dalawa na lang tayo para may magbibideo ka.
Sige.
Bali yung guide, yung bahalang mag-picture,
Mag-video.
Kasi yung guide namin is nakasakay din siya ng own ATV.
May sarili.
Yes,
Kaya na mabibidyoan kami.
Siya
Okay.
yung kasunod po kayo.
Maganda yung ganito tayo. Try natin to.
Para dalawa na lang.
Isa lang tayo.
Oo. Sige na na.
So, try namin tong package 8. Salita yung try ko natin.
I was on a train in the middle of the city. Saw a girl sitting on the floor with the headphones on. She was humming a tune, looking as happy as she could be, nodding her head and closing her eyes and singing the song she was singing. And the sun broke through the windows. Now everyone's humming along. She got everybody singing that universal song. I was on a cruise in the middle of the ocean. Was sitting alone at a table for two. The band was on a break, cause the singer, he was late. But the second he got on stage, started singing that same old tune he was singing. And everyone ran out onto the dance floor. They were shaking their hips and moving along. He got everybody singing that universal song. I read on the news today that they made contact with outer space and a transmission was coming in loud and clear. All the scientists and Linguists and astrophysicists tried to decipher the sounds that were coming into their ears, but all they heard was
Bang! Nag-enjoy ka ba, Mi? Nag-enjoy ka?
Oo din. Oo din na may kasama.
Ganun talaga ang kasama yun. Nakakuha kami ng picture guys. So 100 pesos. Ay 180 pesos. Kapag tapos yung ATV. I-picture kayo. May nag-aabang sa inyo sa bungad. Tapos makikita nyo yung picture. Dandan lang, Mi. Hindi ka mapagod agad. Pagod na siya. Ayun yung Chocolate Hills guys. So, kitang kita. Ganda.
Wait lang, dito namimili pa po kami kung anong lupa yung tatayuan namin ng bahay. Hindi pa po kami makapag-decide kasi hinihingal po kami.
Tsaka wala kaming pera.
Atin yan, di.
Mi, love you.
Love you too.
Hinihingal.
Ano mo?
Ang galing ng photographer namin guys. Galing niya mag-picture. Mapapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung may mga pinipicture niya sa amin. Cellphone lang ni Sarah yung gamit niya. Pero ang gaganda. Ang gaganda nung nung shot niya.
Tama yung angle mo. Yan!
Paano?
Yun! Yan, ma'am. Upo doon sa edge, ma'am.
Ha?
Upo sa edge. Kaya, ma'am. Mababa lang yan, ma'am.
Mababa lang pa.
Emote-emote ka dyan ha.
Nag-videohan siya guys. Ang aming photographer for today. Maanggulo pa si kuya. Buwis buhay to.
Parang tandoy
Yan o, model o. Kasama ka na sa postcard ng Chocolate Hills di. Model ng Chocolate Hills o. Tingnan mo naman ang ngiti o.
Side view konti, sir. Yan.
Iyon o. Iyon o. Iba talaga ang Arthur o.
Ano naman? Ako naman dyan sa walis.
Kasama mo, sir, ha? Okay po. 1, 2, 3, jump! Yun!
Ay, ang ganda ng kanya! Okay lang, natatakot kasi ako eh. Okay lang.
Ulitin natin, ma'am.
Sige.
mo para makita ko din sa
Pag mataas, nandun ako eh.
Huwag ka lang magtagal sa taas. Baka makarating po kayo ng Sikihor. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, jump! Yun.
Galing.
Oo nga.
Kaya medyo maambot na rin guys. Buti na lang talaga may sombrero kami.
Ayun, bababa.
And bababa na daw kami. Ay, sure. Yung tubig mi, dali mo. Ay guys, yung kapa-shoutout sa atin.
What's up? Shoutout mo yung kasama namin Tambalolo na, no?
Sige po, salamat. Bye-bye. Yan. Goods na. Goods to go. Bye. Bye.
We just turned 23. It was the world versus you and me. We were both head over heels. Yeah, you remember how that feels. We thought we would win somehow. We're laughing at that now. The day it all fell apart, it felt like you were holding my hurting heart. We swore we'd try again. That was the beginning of the end. I wanna tell you that I'm different. Oh, that time in love was well spent. You know.
Taga-picture yun. Papugay ka, pwede siya.